Welcome back everyone. Now we are going to learn about applications of radiation. What are the applications of radiant heat or radiation? So first example is, which kind of cloth we used to wear during summer season? Usually cotton clothes and light colored clothes. So why do we wear light colored clothes? As we discussed in my previous video, we use light colored cloth because light colored clothes reflects maximum heat. The heat that falls on light colored clothes, it do not absorb it, but it bounces back it reflects maximum heat that falls on light colored clothes. That is why we used to wear light colored clothes during summer season. Now let us discuss about winter season. Which kind of cloth we used to wear during winter season? During winter season we need maximum heat, we need maximum warmth. So we know that dark colored clothes absorbs heat, solar radiation. In the example of that dark colored pot that absorbs maximum radiation and shows maximum temperature, we discussed about it, right? So dark colored cloth, the nature of dark colored cloth is to absorb maximum solar radiation. So it will absorb maximum radiation and will feel warm. Now electric room heater, it is having a rod, shining rod, a rod that glows when we supply electricity to that rod, and behind that rod, the surface which is behind the rod, suppose this is a rod and this is the back surface of rod. So back surface of rod, room heater, is polished. It is having a metal polish, and usually that metal polish is silvered color. The polished surface is usually light in color, it is silver color. Why? Because again light color will reflect maximum heat, and when the room heater radiates heat, during that time some amount of heat will go towards the back side of the heater. Then that smooth polished surface, that light colored surface, will reflect it back to us and will feel more warm. Now next is outer base of the cooking utensil. It is black in color. The outer base of cooking utensil is black color. Why? Because black color absorbs maximum amount of heat. So the process of cooking will be done easily, quickly we can cook food. So its base is black colored because flame that we supply to the container, to the cooking utensil, that flame that flame is in touch with the base, outer side of the container, right? So the outer base of cooking utensil is black color. Now the back of the refrigerator, the back side of refrigerator is usually dull black color. It is colored black but dull black. Why? Because again radiation, the black color, dark color will radiate maximum amount of heat. So whatever the heat that is there in the different parts of the refrigerator, basically the pipes which supplies heat, and through pipe all the process of refrigerator is their pipe के through वो सारा कुछ supply of heat and all that happens. तो the back side of refrigerator, what it does, ये maximum heat को it will radiate out. It will because black color, dark color not only absorb heat, but nature of black color is to radiate heat also. Okay. For example, जो हमने example लिया था उस यूटेंसिल का, कुकिंग यूटेंसिल का, इफ विल कीप दैट कुकिंग यूटेंसिल बोथ, जो डार्क कलर था और जो लाइट कलर था, दोनों को इफ विल कीप इनसाइड सन के बाहर, मतलब नॉट आउटसाइड, हमने पहले तो गर्म कर लिया, देन नाउ वी आर कीपिंग दोज कंटेनर इनसाइड आवर हाउस। फिर आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हाट विल सी, व्हाट विल ऑब्जर्व, जो ब्लैक डार्क कलर था, जितनी जल्दी उसने गर्म किया वाटर को, उतनी ही जल्दी वो नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर भी करेगा, डाउन भी करेगा। एंड द कंटेनर विच इज हैविंग, विच इज लाइट कलर, वो जितने देर से मतलब वो शो कर रहा था लेस टेम्परेचर, तो अगेन उसे हीट रिफ्लेक्ट करने में भी वो हीट भी कम रेडिएट करेगा। जैसे वो हीट रिफ्लेक्ट करता है एंड इट डू नॉट टेक मच हीट, डू नॉट एब्जॉर्ब, वैसे ये रेडिएट भी कम करेगा। सो इनसाइड आवर हाउस जब हम दोनों कंटेनर्स को रखेंगे तो जो लाइट कलर्ड कंटेनर है वो देर से ठंडा भी होगा। सो दिस इज नेचर ऑफ डार्क कलर एंड लाइट कलर। Now we are going to learn about working of a thermos flask. How a thermos flask works. How we can keep, if we are keeping hot materials, hot liquid inside the flask or cold liquid inside the flask, it will remain as it is. जैसा हम रखेंगे वैसा ही रहेगा. How? So let us check how does it work. Usually this is the structure of a thermos flask. There is a outer metallic cover and inside there is a double layered glass, double walled glass vessel. Okay, this is double layered glass vessel. Outside a metallic outer case, and in this double layered glass vessel vacuum is created. All the air is removed out from this flask. Okay, so if there is no air, then we know that for convection what do we need? For convection we need air. Okay, and for conduction what do we need? For conduction we need metal. This is what? This is vacuum seal. This is vacuum seal. So vacuum seal shows that all the air is removed out from this thermos flask. So if there is no air, then the transfer of heat through convection will not take place, right? And again, if there is nothing, vacuum is there, that means there is nothing. Two surfaces are not in contact with each other. Double layered glass vessel are not in contact with each other. So again, through conduction also transfer of heat will not take place. So neither conduction nor convection, because for conduction we need medium, for convection also we need medium, either liquid or gaseous medium. For convection, for conduction solid medium. तो दोनों में से किसी तरीके से heat transfer नहीं होगा. So this is how thermos flask work. When we keep something hot inside it, then this wall of the thermos flask is silvered color, and we know that silver color is, it reflects heat, it radiates less heat. तो ये radiate कम करता है heat को, तो it will not remove out, it will not let the heat go, it will not allow heat to go out, because it's silver colored. Light color allow नहीं करता है heat को बाहर जाने के लिए, because it radiates less heat, right? At the same time it reflects maximum heat. अब ये light color है तो reflect करके heat को अपने अंदर ही, inside the container only it will reflect heat, it will bounce back heat. तो जो heat इसके अंदर है वो अंदर ही रह जाएगा. Okay, and so in that way, क्योंकि it will reflect, तो heat will be inside the liquid only, inside this container only, and it radiates less heat, तो बाहर heat नहीं जाने देगा. तो in that way अगर ये गर्म है तो गर्म ही रहेगा, अगर ठंडा है तो ठंडा ही रहेगा. So this is how the construction of thermos flask is. Vacuum is created, so neither conduction nor convection, because it is silver colored. So less radiation and more reflection, and then one outer case also. So there is no mode of transfer of heat will take place in this. ना तो यहाँ पे कंडक्शन होगा, ना कॉन्वेक्शन होगा, radiation भी नहीं हो रहा because it is silver colored. So due to this we can keep the material inside flask as it is. It will remain as it is maybe for 7-8 hours. Thank you. Now you look at the screen.